Hey everyone, today, we're talking about a legendary brand that's making a massive comeback, the Nokia. After being away from the spotlight for a few years, Nokia is all set to shake up the smartphone market once again. And guess what? They're launching a beast of a smartphone that's going to blow your mind. According to leaks, the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G is coming with some jaw-dropping features, including a 200 megapixel DSLR camera and a 7500 mAh powerhouse battery. And the best part, it's going to be super affordable. So, let's dive into the full details of this phone, its features, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of Nokia Play 2 Max 5G. Display. The Nokia Play 2 Max 5G is rumored to feature a massive 6.90-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, and an ultra-responsive 390 Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching your favorite shows, this display is going to be a treat for your eyes. Plus, it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. And let's not forget the in-display fingerprint sensor, for that extra touch of premiumness. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, and trust me, this is where things get really exciting. The Nokia Play 2 Max 5G is expected to feature a triple camera setup on the back. The star of the show is the 200 megapixel periscope sensor. Alongside that, you'll get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 16 megapixel depth sensor. And for all the selfie lovers out there, there's a 32 megapixel front camera. Performance. Under the hood, the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G is rumored to pack the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 octa-core chipset. This is Qualcomm's one of the most powerful processors, which means you can expect blazing fast performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. And to top it off, the phone will run on the latest Android 15 operating system. Battery backup. Battery life is where the Nokia Play 2 Max 5G truly shines. It's expected to come with a massive 7500 mAh battery. This is going to give you insane battery life, even with heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, you'll get 125-watt fast charging support, with a USB Type-C cable. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price and launch date. The Nokia Play 2 Max 5G is expected to be priced at around $800 in global markets. Considering the insane specs, that's a pretty sweet deal. As for the launch date, rumors suggest that Nokia will unveil this beast in December 2025.